I requested njogere kati kubanga nina bingi eby'okwogera, but I will just say a few things. Robuge ate yasobola bimalayo. Banange mwebale nnyo. This is so great. It was like maybe someone's birthday, we put the happy birthday wali. Naye mwebale kundowoozaako because I'm sure you guys knew I have a flight tomorrow and I might be back later after my birthday. Naye ne mundowoozaako still celebrating me. Bambi mwebale ddala. Era Mukama mwebaza nti I have people like you. Kubanga kumwegumiddeko nnyo. Bagumiddeko bwemba temukimanyi, today you should know that wibanda ewaka ndowooza ku bantu nga mmwe. Era it keeps me going every day of my life, even when I want to give up. I know I have people that love me deeply, nga tebalina kyebansuubiramu, sirina kyembasasula, naye ne munjagala. Mwebale nnyo mwebale ddala. You're my family. And one thing I know, I always count on you guys. Nawe bagambye nti bagumirako nnyo. Nga sinneerowoozaako nange mbalowoozaako nnyo. Because of small things like this. To me, this is not small. Era Mukama mwebaza, I have the best team. Teri mufalina team weight. Yeah, let me brag about that, for example. But I have the best farmers team when it comes to everything. So as a that you know. Team Spice and Boda. We started like a joke. This gentleman, omanye abantu balina ekifaananyi ekirala kuba tunavuga boda. But to me, balabanga baganda bange. Sabaami abo bakola ttiimu eyaabwe bantu bangi nnyo nga bantu batali wano bayinza obutajjaawo. Naye banjagadde kyemukola kye kimu kibakola era ndimusanyufu nti Hammers, you thought about them being around. Mwebale nnyo mwebale ddala bannange. Mwebale kwerekereza. I understand when abali wano you have your own issues. Naye nemwerekereza akasente wano sina kyenabuze nekinzaani wabwera okukola omunene w'obuti nga stadium yadde ekikulu. And it's classy. I love every bit of it. Mwebale teeka mutunda kyemutaddemu obudde bwammwe kyekikulu. Mwebale nnyo kwerekereza akasente nabwe mwebale nnyo. And I will never take that for granted. Because no boy coming up between us, I see some new faces, and I'm happy that our team is growing every day. Don't be somewhere else, but they chose to join us. Baby, we new. Nsaba, you guys feel at home. I want you to be proud of the team. Kuba kino omuntu okuba nga atwegeseeko n'agenda tulina kwegattako, tulina kutuulako. So saba Mukama abanguyiza okubeera nga mukolagana with everyone. N'okwebaza ababaddewo, have guys that have been with me for over emyaka 5 kyangu, right? This team ebaddewo emyaka mingi. Naye okusigaza omuntu for over 4 or 5 years is not easy. Abamu bakuze bafumbiddwa bazadde n'abaana nga bali Team Spice Diana. It is a blessing, you know. Kitegeeza nti it's not just a team, it's family. Family ye muntu goba naye mubi ne kulungi mwaka ku mwaka. Kati birthday tried celebrating last year at my home. I'm happy to see the same faces come and celebrate me today. And I want to see you guys again next year. I'll come and try the one and more other 10 years. Never tried the what at the lower. That would be my wish. So, mwebale nnyo kubeera abaddewo. mwebalire ddala si kyangu because bangi bazze ne bagenda mumbeere hamuze engalo ez'enjawulo guys. Personally, I've given up Chibaitako fans team because mubamu ebintu bingi. We deal with different people abajja kutwegattako ku ssanyu naye olumu ne bivaamu nga si birungi. Naye Hamoz yangamba Spice, don't worry, let's build this kubanga tetugakitwalanga just fans team to building a family. Nze mulaga mpeddemu amaanyi naye Hamoz yangamba we can do it era ochallenginze nnyo. Tuli mu myaka nga Hamoz atwala team Spice Diana and most of you guys muzamuze ne mumusangawo with some other faces. Chimanyi nti basobodde kubaawo but we are still with them. Hamoz, thank you so much. Sijja kwebaza mumaze kufa bona togenda kufa naye let me take this opportunity to thank you for the work you've done. Twala obudde nga siwuliza ku Hamoz. I don't know the last time I talked to you, but everything is moving. You guys are okay. As in, I know at the back of my mind I have Jim Spice there and it's the best feeling because he does a lot of work with you guys. It's okay that mwebali kuma discipline. Siwulirangako muntu yenna ali mu Jim Spice there na yimiridde mu bu.
Nsokera ddala okwebaza every Spice gadget ali wano nga sinneeyanjula diva. Guno omukolo teguli nga baatide z'abayimbi baalaze babakolera. Guno omukolo tulina VIP ne ordinary. Naye ng'ate naffe aba ordinary we are so proud mu ordinary gye tuli lwa nsonga. Ordinary ebadde yeena kitundu. Imagine. Ordinary eriza 15 mu bivulu n'omutwalo. Feno ordinary yaffe yeena kitundu. Kati imagine VIP ebadde yeemeka. To my VIP people, if you're a proud VIP member. VIP for a recognition. Totia. I thank a lot these people. Luansonga. VIP chatuyambye nnyo diva. Chatuyambye in a way that bwetwabadde tetusobola tuuka n'emitwalo gyaffe emitono. Bano abantu bapushinze mu ngeri ey'enjawulo. So that is why to buy it our VIP buffet. Okay, you can get seated. Thank you so much for the job well done. And then to all the ordinaries, mwendi nange kenyeni, twekubiregaliza amaani. Ba ordinary tweyongere engalo. Thank you so much banaye. Amanya gange nze Hamoz yawe Spice Gadget, the spokesperson of Team Spice Diana. Many people think I'm the chairperson, but I'm not. Just work I want. But they never come about. Or you come bange, then no mulala chairperson. I tell you. I thank so much the cabinet. Or when we do any room, Jeba Pose, or Kuveri Jenavagambi promotion of music, then events of attending and then this party. They are really done a lot. Thank you so much, cabinet members. Keep up the spirit. And then to Spice Gadgets, we don't take your work for granted. Bulichemukola, we appreciate so much. Thank you so much. This is not the only team we have. For this occasion, let's not just entertain numbers. We have a lot of numbers. But for today, for Gambia, let's get these people but at least babere okulwabalala era balaje bali ku mitimbagano balaba ebigenda maaso n'ebifaananyi tubibawa n'ebyokulya tugamba weereza mu bifaananyi inshallah. Diva lwotunula saidi yawali waliwo ekirabo tetukiraba ne tugamba let's just commit ourselves. Era ekyo ekirabo kikyo wonooba ogenda tusaba abatambudde naabo bakizingeko ogende nakyo. Freedom manyanga cricket over. Freedom right side to get us served. Watuba by'okulya and then tugenda okuba tujja ku cake olw'obudde tusale cake ojja tuwa speech then tusale cake then bwe tunaamala ekyo.
Thank you. is returning up. And I want to thank you both. It's like me a lot. And I used to love it, but I don't use much yet. Thank you. Yeah, that's it.
Happy birthday. I celebrate in advance. I'm Gloria. I'm simple. Your poet. I'm a model. I'm a professional accountant. And I love you so much. Celebrate. You come 13th Jan 2023. Cricket Oval. Concert sold out. Stage queen. Stand up. Happy birthday. Our secretary, Spice Diana. Madam Kelvin.
I'm not aware if you're turning up, but I'm really proud that you turned up and on the right time. I'm by names of Mumbe Jazari. That is what I use on social media. And I am a professional journalist, but I am a news reporter. And I work with KCCA as a supervisor public health. When it comes to Team Spice Diana, I'm the vice chairperson, and I'm really happy. I want to take this opportunity to thank every member that put in whatever you put to make this function a delightful function. Secondly, I'm sorry, it is not my speech, but let me say these words. Maybe I will not get a chance to say. I want to thank the cabinet members. I won't mention, but you all did a lot for what we have done today. I'm really so thankful. Happy birthday, Spice Diana and advance.
Sawa leti and nze Ismail chief mobilizer Spice Diana. Ntwala okusaba okwebaza Spice Diana